Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Michael here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a beautiful 1967 Pontiac Firebird Convertible. Gold automatic with air. Just fantastic. Got the owner, Dean, here. He's going to tell us a little bit about him. How are we doing today, Dean?
Doing great, doing great.
Man, what a beautiful car.
Yeah, it's a 1967 rare car, first of its kind. As you can see, it's in good condition, brand new tires, brakes, everything's perfect on the car.
Yeah, you just maintained. Yeah, you just had some updates.
I just had a carburetor rebuilt. I had the radiator flushed. The car's always perfectly maintained. I rarely drive the car. I take it out once a month, take it for a nice little ride, go get ice cream with the kids. It's a great driving car, runs perfect. At this point, it's going to kill me to sell it, but it's time for something a little different. But,
maybe a Porsche?
Yeah, maybe a Porsche.
All right, we'll talk about that, that's for sure.
The convertible top works perfect.
Yep, that's power, right?
Yep, power top. Got air conditioning, power steering, power brakes, and
power top. Yeah. Cool, tires are new.
Tires are brand new.
Chrome and stainless is fantastic. Matching numbers too, right, Dean?
Matching numbers, all matching number car. Came from North Carolina. Southern car. No rust.
Nice original interior.
All original interior.
Beautiful.
Original steering wheel, a little crack on it, which is nice.
Yeah, it gives it a little patina. I like the center console, is really beautiful. Got a auxiliary radio.
Yeah, it's got the
so
nice
it's
little
been upgraded with
cassette.
That's cool.
Starts right up.
She's showing 15,172 on the miles. Sounds good, man. Nice and healthy, huh?
Oh yeah.
AC, very correct. A little dressing on the belts. That's about it. Got the cans back here. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Michael from WeBe Autos. You can call us directly at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and details on our website. It's webeautos.com. And I hope to hear from you soon. Thanks a lot.